Good morning. This is a follow-up video to the unboxing of the 14 to 24. Today we're going to go over the filters, both the Kase system magnetic on the front and then also gel filters that you can put on the rear of the lens. Good morning. Today we're going to do something extra special. Talk about the filters. There's a couple kinds. There's the Kase filters, which is magnetic. The hood that comes with the 14 to 24 lens is made for a screw-in filter, and Kase has made one that screws their metallic ring goes in here, and we'll show you that. And then the other one is that on the back of this lens you can insert a filter gel. You have to cut it to size and things like that, and we'll go through that as well. But it's an amazing thing. A few more things that you need. This is the regular hood that would go on this lens, but a few more things that you need is you're going to need your body cap and the lens cap as well, or the lens rear cap, to keep everything clean while you're doing all of this. Okay, so make sure and find those. Then this is it. This is the Kase 112 millimeter polarizing filter for the 14 to 24 lens. It's an amazing thing. I think as a landscape photographer, you're going to use this probably more than any other filter that you have. So when you open it up, see, it's a big piece of glass. It also has this ring. So what you want to do is take this ring, and there's 4 notches on it that makes it easy to insert, because you don't want anything in the way. So place it in there, just goes right in there. Then take your fingernail and start spinning it, and it will lock right in. Okay, it screws in. You can tighten it down as much as you want. It's all good. Then this, of course, is the ring that will go, or the hood that goes on to the lens, snaps on. And then you take the filter, place it, take the lens cap off, and it will magnetically stay on. And it stays on. It's got a nice magnet to it. Once you do that, you don't have to take this off. That is what this lens cap is for. Okay, and it covers the whole thing. Your filter can stay in there if you're moving from spot to spot, but I would not suggest that you leave the filter on there while you're transporting and things like that. It comes with a very nice case. It's, like I said, it's 112 millimeter. It's a fairly expensive filter, so keep it in there. And then you can put the rear filter on. Now, if you still have your instructions, this you will need them, because on the back, ooh, excuse me, yes. You go to the back top page right here, it shows you the pattern that you're going to need to cut, and you use any old gel. I got a gel. That's what this came from B&H. It comes rolled up, and it's this is a 6-stop neutral density filter. Okay, they give it to you in millimeters, but if you take, and I use this architectural scale, it works out to 1.5 by 3/16. Cut that, notch the corners, and you're ready to go. Okay, follow the instructions. It's really pretty simple. I went ahead and already cut one. We're good to go. As you can see, it's right here. I'm going to leave it in this little baggie until I'm ready to go. So this is where you're going to need these things. Okay, so go ahead and take your lens off. Put your body cap on. Set it securely aside. Right here is that slot for this filter. Really simple. All you have to do is take this and slide it in. That's all it does. And so as you can see, here it is. It's already inserted. It was really pretty easy. You might want to make it a little narrower than the inch and 3/16, make it about 1 1/8 inch. Make sure and cut those corners like it shows, because then it fits right in. Okay, then go ahead and take your camera, remove your body plug, place the lens on, and lock, and you're ready to go. That's all it takes. To demonstrate the effects of the 6-stop ND filter, we've come to the state parks here on the Central Oregon coast. And then to demonstrate the effects of the polarizer, we've come to the North Bend Boardwalk. Now, if you know anything about polarizers, you know that you'll get the most dramatic effect on sunny days. This first photo has no filter, but here in the second photo, the polarizer was used, and you can see the clouds are better defined and some of the glare is removed from the water. That hood-mounted polarizer, it protects the glass up front. Plus, most super wides don't even take screw-on filters, so this is a big win. And the gel ND filter, it's tiny, inexpensive, and weightless. But if you want to change it, the lens has to come off. That's the deal. Let us know what you think of these unique filter placements in the comments, please.